Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is me, Shubham Agarwal. Shubham Agarwal. So after watching this video, don't dare to think that I am a baniya. That's why I did it. This is going to be a very environment friendly video and I did it for saving trees. Only for saving trees. Maybe I saved some money too. And you can also do it. So don't be shy. So the thing is, I'm going to start with the cheapest thing I did to save money. So this is a bill of Flipkart, a long bill, and I did a lot of rough work behind it. If you are a student, then this video is for you. If you are preparing for competitive examination, then this video is for you too. And if you are doing a lot of writing work, maybe you are just doing it, you are just writing anything rubbish, or you are doing that drawing as lots of people do while thinking, then keep such kind of papers handy. This is a bill of milk, and there are lots of bills of Flipkart and some bills of Amazon too. And I did some behind all of them. I do a lot of online shopping. Now the cheaper thing than this is that I did some sums behind the petrol, petrol bills too, petrol receipt too, behind that small petrol receipt too. Maybe you can tell that this is maybe my addiction or something. And all these bills, I'm not making this up. Like I have a full cartoon of such bills. Bills and all other papers. I'll show you. Let me show you. See, these all are rough papers. These are some more pamphlets and all those waste papers. I did some behind all of them. So let's start with the next thing. So before some days I filed an RTI to fetch the state preference of SSC CHSL examination, and you will not believe, for filing one RTI, Post Office Department sent me around 50 letters, guys. Around maybe 25 to 50. Look. And these letters became a pile, like so many letters. These are not letters, like this was the envelope in which the letter came. And there were so many envelopes. And it was for SSC CHSL 2018. After seeing so many envelopes, I thought of saving environment, and I tiered each and every envelope and did rough work behind it. Like this is also not done in one go. Like I kept doing it. You can watch somewhere it is black, and all of this is my genuine rough work. I am not making this up, and I am not trying to prove that I am a baniya, but I am just telling that how much paper I could use, how much. And after that, the biggest thing, have you ever ordered from Amazon Pantry? What those guys do? Those guys send you so much paper, so much paper, and you can, means it is much more better paper, a very thick paper, very clear paper than the paper we get in rough copies. I'll show you. Maybe some of you will be thinking that who will do this much of mehnat, but trust me, I'm coming. Look, wait. See, this is much more shitty paper. I bought this copy for at least 30 rupees maybe. Okay, and this is just one paper. For every Amazon Pantry order, you will receive around 2 papers like this. Okay, and when you order, it will be completely crushed. Okay, and if you don't notice, you will throw it out. Okay, but somehow I don't know how I noticed, but I took that paper, I straightened it up, and I folded it, and it is completely a copy for me. That one paper is one copy for me, you can say. And not even for rough work. If someone want to use it, no, this is for rough work only. Don't use it for fair work. Not that much conjuicy. Okay, and you don't think that I am that much conjuice. See, I have so many good copies too. Navneet, Classmate, all those very costly copies and papers. So yes, I am a baniya, but the thing is, guys, we are wasting a lot of paper which we can use, especially for these Amazon pantry paper. Recently I received an order, and see, it is like around more than 200 pages of one copy I'll be able to use for my rough work. It just took around 2 to 3 minutes to you take help from one person, you ask them to hold the paper from one end and you hold it from another hand, stretch it out and then fold it and put it under your bed for one day, and it will be like a proper copy. This was I when I came home for lunch, I do this for this, okay, and this is for my past, and it has become completely straight and very proper copy, rough copy, okay. So that's it. Have fun, use that paper, don't waste even a single bit of paper. If you are a student, you must know that what cost does it take. Lots of people, rich people, nowadays use all those digital things, but if I were not using it, it would have been waste. So use it intelligently, be baniya, it is good sometimes for environment too. Okay guys, so if you want to watch more videos like this, subscribe, hit the bell icon, like the button, whatever it is, do that. Bye bye, have fun, and all the best. If you are a student, all the best, you will do great. I believe and I hope so. Okay guys, bye.